You really thought this place could save you. Though, not bad. Reinforced walls, no way out. Could make a good little hideout.
You always this dramatic. Or just compensating for the enchanted pants.
You talk like you've got options.
Funny thing about options, sometimes you don't need many, just the right one.
You think words are gonna save you? Well then, wait. What is that?
Oh, right. I forgot me and you weren't the only ones in this base. Meet Bro. Don't worry, he doesn't talk much. Bit shy, honestly.